is currently 5:21, so we'll wake up in about 10-15 minutes, pack up, and then we'll head up to American River. Yeah. Right, so we've pretty much finished up camp. So see you guys over at American River. Here. Right, here we are. The water is looking beautiful. There's some little bait fish right there. It's quite deep water. I can't see any bigger fish, but we probably just can cast out a few meters out. It should be beautiful. So let's get fishing, you. Just hook that on. Just like that. You don't need to go far at all, especially where the spot I'm at. It's very deep. So just like that. I'm gonna let it sink and then hopefully we catch some. Straight away on the drop. It's a trevally. Yep, is it? No, it's a... Is that a salmon? It's a salmon. That is legal. Definitely legal. Just like that, guys. A nice salmon. I'm just gonna put it in the bucket for now. I need to get some water in there. But that's a very good salmon. 30 centimeters. That's legal, I believe.
Ready?
Nah. Oh, yep. Not like they're not here, but we'll chuck a bit of burley pellets out. See if we can get some trevally. I thought that they were trevally, but got two nice salmon. So hopefully we can keep the fish coming, and yeah, it should be a good day. Another one. Ooh. Oh, I reckon that one might be too small. Oh yep, he's legal. We'll release this one actually, because they're going to be too big for it. Come on. Oh, is he gonna... There he goes. I think I'll fish on. No, we don't have fish on. Look at this one. Trevally, there we go. Ugh.
Nice colour.
There he is. Nice trevally. Space on him. There he goes. Alright, let's say catch a fish. In under 30 seconds we'll count it. Cast out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 seconds. Yeah, salmon.
Those other ones biting or not?
Yeah, I caught two down there so far. Okay. So I think they're just a school of salmon.
Or salmon?
Yeah. 26 seconds and 28 centimetres. We'll keep this one because it's a nice size.
What number is that?
That's number 3 that I'm keeping. Altogether, I think 5 or 6.
Well done. It's all on camera, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's gold.
He wants that.
Tell that fish was,
Well, those fish are gone.
yeah, they're gone now.
I reckon that was a king George whiting he was chasing.
No, I think it might have been a little salmon.
Yeah,
Little
probably.
salmon,
Yeah.
right? So it's probably
All those fish are definitely gone. I wasn't filming right when I stopped filming, it was jumping out of the water, it was crazy. Yeah. Yep, there you go. Garfish. Yeah, it's a bit too small.
Oh.
That's old school, isn't it?
That's old school. Alright, cheers. Good luck, mate.
Cheers. Right, we're gonna end it there. None of the fish are really here anymore after that seal came through. Still with garfish, but don't really want to keep them. But there we go. What we finished with were 2 gar. Like, this is just the stuff we kept. We're keeping 2 gar and 3 salmons. So might come down for another session after lunch, or a bit after lunch. And yeah, see ya, and see you when we cook them up. Filleting a Australian salmon, a wing, right across that backbone, all the way to the end of the tail. So it's right there. And then just do the same process on the other side. Just do
What's your
like,
fingers at?
you know,
Fingers.
just do 8 smaller like that, got the cut. And I'm just gonna come pushing down gently. Make sure you're not getting those guts, adjusting. Cut that off. Is a nice fillet, and then we do the exact same process but on the other side of the fish. Fillet's clean, so let's cook them. How do we do these? There we go, cooking. Right, first, got some of the salmon. Got a bit of bones in there, but it's right. Got some gar.
Oh, here, I know what we're doing. No, he can have his plate then, Elsie.
That goes so good. Very good. A few bones in the salmon, but that's alright. So, see you guys